How to use picture in picture on iPad. If your iPad is running iPad OS or iOS 12 or 13, so you can watch a video like this one in picture mode, and also conduct FaceTime calls. So this is exactly what it sounds like. So you can play a video when you're opening some other app, multitasking generally. So this is what I'm talking about. So you can also open any other app as the video keeps playing while you're opening any other app.
To tell you more about it.
So that is the picture in picture mode on iPad. So even a FaceTime call, you can use it while you're doing some other activities. So here's how to use picture in picture mode. So you need to start by opening any video app. So for instance, you can open Apple TV or even any other third-party app like this one I'm using right now. It is called Bolt. So you can play video in picture mode. Also other apps like Amazon Prime, Netflix, Hulu, and so on, even YouTube. So you can use picture in picture mode. So once the video is playing, all you need to do is to press the home button or use a simple swipe gesture on your touch screen. So let me expand this. Drag.
We're incredibly proud of the role that iPad is playing in the lives of so many people. Users love our iPad 7th generation because it delivers a beautiful 10.2-inch Retina display with support for Apple Pencil and the full-size Smart Keyboard, all in a thin, light, and affordable design. And our customers love all the things they can do with it, from taking notes as they learn something new to playing their favorite game. So this year, we're taking its beloved design and cranking up the performance with this, the new iPad 8th generation. It's more capable than ever, and it starts with the A12 Bionic. This chip is a powerhouse. It features a powerful CPU and super fast GPU. Compared to the already fast chip in last year's iPad, it has a 40% faster CPU and delivers a massive 2 times jump in graphics. This extra performance is great for everything from working with high-resolution content to immersive gaming experiences. And compared to the competition over the last year,
activating picture in picture, all you have to do is to head to your settings. So heading to settings, go to multitasking and dock. So we have picture in picture here. So you can, while this is on, videos will continue playing in an overlay even when you press the home button. So then check this, selecting it means you're turning it off. Then you have to make sure it's turned on, so that you can be able to use picture in picture effect.
It's not even close.
So that is all about picture in picture effect. If you found it useful, subscribe to my channel and comment about this video, please. Don't forget to like it. So see you in the next video. Bye bye.